Hi again, prep children, and welcome to our Sound of the Week video. All right, I am going to pull some things out of our box and you have to listen to the sound that is at the beginning of each of these things and guess what our sound of the week is this week. All right, are you ready? Let's go. All right, the first thing from my Sound of the Week box this week is who knows what this is called? This is called a vest. 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 So we have a vest. The next thing I'm going to pull out of my Sound of the Week box is vinegar, and I use this in my cooking at home. So we have a vest and some vinegar. What sound can you hear so far? Okay, the next thing from our box this week. What can you see there? That's right, there's some peas and carrots. But peas and carrots are part of the same group. What group are they a part of? That's right, they are a vegetable. Vegetables. So vegetables, which I hope you eat lots of your vegetables. Very good for helping your bodies grow. We have some vinegar and a vest. Okay, the next thing from my Sound of the Week box. Who knows what this is? I think I heard someone say it is a vase. So you use vases to put pretty flowers in. So we have a vase, vegetables, vinegar, and a vest. All right, the last thing from my Sound of the Week box this week, because B is a bit of a tough letter. And this one's going to be very, very tricky for you to figure out. This is called a vintage brooch. And this belonged to my grandma actually, and she gave it to me. Vintage is another word for something that is very, very old. If you have heard the story at school called To Town, in that story, they go to town in a vintage car. So that means it is a car that is very, very old. So my brooch is a very old brooch. It belonged to my grandma when she was about my age, even younger. So it's a very, very old brooch. Okay, let's go through our things again. So we have a vintage brooch. We have a vase. We have vegetables. We have vinegar. And we have a vest. What sound can you hear at the beginning of all of those things? I heard some people say V. The letter V makes the V sound. Well done. So that is our sound this week, the letter V that makes the V sound. I hope you enjoyed our Sound of the Week box this week and have fun learning all about the letter V. Okay, bye.